Hey makers, welcome back to HUB360 Embedded Sphere, your home for electronics learning, embedded projects and affordable components. Today we are exploring the IRF840 MOSFET, a high voltage N-channel transistor commonly used in inverters, SMPS and high power switching. But that's not all. I'll also show you a fun and surprising experiment: how to turn a DC motor on and off by simply touching the MOSFET with your finger thanks to its capacitive gate. As always, all components used here are available at hob360.com.ng, tested, affordable and shipped nationwide. Let's dive in. The IRF840 is a power MOSFET designed for high voltage switching up to 500 voltage, drain currents up to 8 amp and fast switching applications. Its gate has extremely high input impedance, meaning it barely draws any current, and this allows your body to charge it like a capacitor. That's how we achieve the touch to activate demo. Components used in this project are one IRF840 N-channel MOSFET, a small 12 voltage DC motor, then we have jumper wires and the breadboard. All parts are available at hob360.com.ng. Now let's dive into the connections. Alright, before we start the connection, let's identify the pinouts. We have the gate. We have the gate here, and then the drain in the middle, and then the source by your left if the transistor is facing you. Now let's do the connections. Now we connect our power source. The positive of our power source, we connect it to one side of the motor. Then we now connect the other pin from the motor to drain. And here's our drain. Now we connect the source to the ground of our power source. Of the power source, connected the source, we have done it. Then gates, we leave it unconnected. These are gates. And that's it. Very simple. Alright, let's know why this works. The gate of a MOSFET behaves like a tiny capacitor. When you touch the gate, your body transfers a small electrostatic charge. MOSFET turns on and motor spins. Touch the gate and source, you discharge the gate. MOSFET turns off and motor stops. This is a great way to feel and see how MOSFET gates store charge. Now let's do the test. Power of the setup. Place everything on the breadboard, the battery to the motor and the motor to IRF840. Leave the gate floating. Switch on your power, the motor stays off. Gently touch the gate pin with one finger. Motor spins instantly. Remove your finger, motor stays on. The gate is holding the charge. Now touch the gate and source pin at the same time. Motor stops and then charge is being discharged. And that's it. A complete introduction to the IRF840 MOSFET plus an easy, exciting touch-activated motor demo. Understanding MOSFET pinout, see how the gate capacitance work, watch a motor switch on and off with touch. Great for demos, tutorials and classroom teachings. If you're enjoying this experiment, hit like and subscribe to our HUB360 Embedded Sphere for more fun embedded projects. Remember, all components are available at hob360.com.ng, shipped nationwide and fully tested. Until next time, keep building, keep experimenting and keep innovating.